Can check cable TD-MTD STTD at 5UO15UO.
1 minute to get result. Simple, durable, intelligent.
Buy now to help you get more project and earn more. Switch down. Contact us to get user manual, price and freight cost. Door to door to your address.
Operation video of VLF 10 Delta 2 in one device. USB drive port for data export. One button shuttle mouse. Emergency stop, key switch. Power socket. Switch. Ground wire. High voltage output line. High voltage output port. Plug it in power. Plug in the ground wire, and have output cable. Clockwise. Be sure to screw it to the bottom. Ground wire. Have output line with shielding layer can be put on the ground. Have output line large clip to tested object, stimulated by compensation capacitor. Have line shielding layer grounded. Power on. Select to do VLF or tand delta. Egg, dielectric loss. Set phase voltage. Press return. Test interface. Press start. Open the key. Open emergency stop key. Then start. Yes. Start to boost voltage. Waveform is out. Three voltages. 0.5 phase voltage. UO. 1.5 UO. Tan delta value. Comes to UO. .5 UO sample 10 delta value. Third wave. Shut down. Result. export data with a USB stick. Turn this button to view history data. Group 1. Group 2. Up and down. Test report. Can check cable TD MTD STTD at 05UOUO15UO.
1 minute to get result. Simple, durable, intelligent.
Buy now to help you get more project and earn more. Switch down. Contact us to get user manual, price and freight cost. Door to door to your address.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.